up, all my lights turn on. Like, oh my god.
Hey, swing it or don't bring it! We're fucking 0-200 real quick.
Alright guys, giving William right here a fucking test drive in the fucking Great White Sea.
Great white shark, man.
No nitrous though, just NA pools, so it's not gonna be as fast, but it's all good.
Let's go.
Did you know about 21 miles per gallon, boy?
Oh, sounds like smiles to the gallon, baby.
Still recording?
Yeah.
You only have a little bit of space.
There you go.
Wait till there's more room.
Yeah, we're back to casual. Wow, that is fucking nice. Wow, what is insane, bro? Fucking shit. He was like, what the? Oh my fucking
A few moments later.
Bro, my car just started smoking up right now. No idea why. What the fuck? Well, so I just turned on my car to go home from work, and then I started hearing like this weird ringing noise, and I kind of ignored it. So I started driving, and then out of nowhere, literally all my lights turn on, like all of them turn on, and then the car starts smoking up. So I just quickly turned that shit off. And all this smoke came out of my car. I posted something on Instagram. I'll share it right now. So basically, I have no idea what happened. I pushed the car back from the middle of the road, and it smells like, I don't know, the smell is weird. It almost smells like burnt plastic. The car won't start. Look, I try to push it on and nothing. I have no idea what the fuck it is.
The next day.
Okay guys, so we are on our way to the SoCal Street Club meet. I got Mikey picking me up in the, what is this?
It's the fucking monster truck here. You know, the Evo's down right now. Build transmission coming soon, it looks like.
So the meet should be freaking huge. Right now, we had the original meet spot posted, But 20 minutes before, we got messages that there was already a lot of people showing up, so security was kicking people out. So we had to post a new address. Hopefully everyone goes to the new address. We'll see how it turns out. Sorry I don't have the camera pointing towards me. I have it towards the freeway because you can't even see me because it's so dark. There's a lot of people still pulling up. It's pretty good turnout so far. I mean, it's not as good as the underground spot that we had originally, but it's whatever. Oh my God. Fuck, dude, it got so crazy all of a sudden. Alrighty guys, update. So here it is. Oh my God. It's fucked up.
I can give you an answer. I don't know what happened. If like internally it shorted out, or that's kind of sus. Yeah, just.
Oh, in here too, huh?
I think this caused this to like burn out.
One eternity later.
You want to slide that thing? You want to slide this?
Just cuz.
Good?
If you want.
Pretty fine.
I'll go in there with you.
I'll slide it.
I'll
Yeah.
vlog it for you.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, I got you. It grips a lot. You get the PSI over here? It's got radio? Talkable backfires right there?
I want to see people who get actually.
You know what? You go in there.
Fuck with this car.
I think the handbrake might work. Alright, that's grip. It's a little grippy, but. Pretty fucking quick, dude.
Oh my God.
This trick is.
Want to turn on the nitrous?
Oh, what? You got nitrous on this bitch?
Yeah.
How do you turn this shit on?
I have to open it in the back. Have any? but you turn it on like this.
God damn.
How was it?
It was fun.
That's bad, huh?
Yeah, the shot flame.
Oh, yeah.
Did you guys record outside?
Yeah, Mikey did.
Okay.
How was it? Just fucking dope, huh?
Yeah.
You can feel the grip.
Yeah.
It's grippy, dude.
When you build it. Give it away on the vlog? When you know, leave that. Leave that. It does sound really good.
Yeah.
What's your Instagram?
Oh, that's Idris.
Alright, cool.
Follow for amazing
Every
content.
time he's recording Gil, he does this. He gets close.
I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up.